Ever wondered if you could ditch the 9 to 5 and become a day trading guru, all while using a platform like Stashaway? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a good one. Because let's face it, the idea of making quick profits from the market's daily swings is incredibly tempting. But is it realistic? Is it even possible with a robo-advisor like Stashaway? Before we dive in, let's clarify what day trading actually is. It involves buying and selling securities within the same trading day, aiming to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. Think of it like trying to catch tiny waves in the ocean, quick in, quick out, hoping to ride the momentum for a small gain. Now, Stashaway, as many of you know, is built on a different philosophy. It's designed for long-term investing, using algorithms and diversification to grow your wealth steadily over time. They focus on strategic asset allocation, rebalancing your portfolio based on your risk profile and market conditions. So, right off the bat, you can see there's a fundamental difference in approach. Stashaway isn't built for the rapid-fire trading that day trading requires. Their platform isn't geared towards real-time charting, technical analysis tools, or the lightning-fast order executions you need to be a successful day trader. Imagine trying to race a Formula One car on a dirt track. It's just not the right tool for the job. The platform itself is designed for a buy-and-hold strategy, not the constant buying and selling that defines day trading. Furthermore, day trading is incredibly risky. While the potential for quick profits is alluring, the reality is that most day traders lose money. It requires a deep understanding of market dynamics, technical analysis, risk management, and a whole lot of discipline. You're competing against seasoned professionals, algorithms, and institutional investors. It's not just about guessing which way the market will move, it's about understanding the underlying forces driving those movements. Think about the fees involved as well. Even small transaction fees can eat into your profits when you're making multiple trades a day. While Stashaway's fees are competitive for long-term investing, they're not optimized for the high volume of trades that day trading entails. These fees can quickly become a significant hurdle to profitability. Now, some of you might be thinking, but I can buy and sell stocks on Stashaway, so what's stopping me from day trading? Technically, you can execute trades on the platform. However, the platform isn't designed for that purpose, and you'll be at a significant disadvantage compared to someone using a platform built for active trading. You'll lack the tools, the speed, and the data necessary to make informed decisions in the fast-paced world of day trading. Beyond the technical aspects, consider the emotional toll. Day trading is incredibly stressful. The constant pressure of making quick decisions, the fear of losses, and the emotional roller coaster of market fluctuations can be overwhelming. It's not for the faint of heart, and it requires a level of emotional control that most people don't possess. So, can you day trade on Stashaway? The simple answer is, while technically possible, it's highly impractical and strongly discouraged. Stashaway's strength lies in its long-term investment strategy, not in short-term speculation. If you're serious about day trading, you'll need a platform specifically designed for that purpose, along with the knowledge, skills, and risk tolerance it demands. Trying to force day trading on a platform like Stashaway is like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It's just not going to work. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.